What's going on, family? It's the White from Clark's Firearm Training and Safety, and today we got a new firearm in. Let's go! Like I said, today we got a new firearm in, so you know we got to do an unboxing with you guys and let you guys get the first look. Can anybody guess what we got? I'm sure you already know by the title, but anyway, everyone in the world knows this box right here. Of course, it's the red label. High capacity magazines. But anyway, today we got a Glock 19 Gen 5 with a Timney trigger. We purchased this with the trigger already on it. This trigger, in my opinion, is amazing. I had to get it when we saw it in the store. So without further ado, let's head over to the table and unbox this. Alright guys, so what we have right here, it's a Glock 19 with the Timney trigger. As you can see, is the red label. If you don't know, Glocks have different color labels. The white label basically means low capacity magazines. The red label means high capacity magazines, basically over 10 rounds. The blue is high capacity magazines, and the buyer must meet blue label requirements, basically law enforcement and stuff like that. Not gonna really go over the box. You guys know what a Glock box looks like. So let's get to the firearm. Of course, you got the 3 mags, the 3 15 round mags, the mag loader. Make sure you can see this firearm is clear, of course. Long story short, I purchased this firearm, went into the store. They had it. I was looking for something else that they didn't have. So I went ahead and got this because I was in the market for a new 19 to possibly carry, put an optic on, etc., etc. Saw this, kind of looked over it, didn't really pay much attention. Then I looked again and I saw the trigger. So the trigger is what actually caught my eye on this 19. I still have the stock trigger, but they also installed this Timney trigger here. It kind of caught my eye. I've shot a Timney trigger. I love the trigger. It's a 3-pound trigger, and that's what drew me to this Glock 19. The Glock 19 is pretty much self-explanatory. It's an industry staple. Glock perfection, so they say. I like Glocks. They're cool. I'm not a Glock fanboy or anything. We as a company, we have a couple. But yeah, decided to give this a try. Like I said, mainly because of the trigger. Let's test this trigger out, man, so you guys can see exactly what I'm talking about. Have the trigger here. That's the wall right there. Let me get off of it. That's the wall right there. And you have your brake. Let's check out the reset. Reset is right there. Whew. I can't even lie, man. This trigger is amazing. Let me show you guys that one more time. Have the wall right there. That's the wall. Brake. That's the reset. Whew. I can't lie, man. This trigger for me takes this Glock 19 to the next level. And that's why we had to get it and add this to our collection. Like I said, this firearm is not going to stay like this. Already got a new slide on the way with the optics cut. A few more things just to make it carry worthy for us. Mainly me. Gotta say us sometimes though. But yeah, it's a Glock 19 Gen 5 with the Timney trigger. Again, let me show you that trigger one more time for those that may have missed it. Whew. That's the wall right there. It's the wall. Look at that. This is definitely for fast shooting. The wall, the brake, reset. Yeah, guys, there you have it. Glock 19 Gen 5 with the Timney trigger, 3-pound trigger. All right, let's go. Yeah, man, that Glock 19 Gen 5 is nice, and that trigger takes it to the next level, man. By far, we're not Glock fanboys or anything like that, but it was just a nice firearm, so we had to pick it up. What are your thoughts about the Glock Gen 5? What are your thoughts about the Timney trigger, man? Leave them in the comments below. If you have a Timney trigger, you like it, let us know about it. If you don't, let us know about it as well. Of course, we're going to come back with probably a 1,000-shot review, let you guys know how the trigger held up. A Glock 19 is a Glock 19, so we know how that's going to hold up. So, check out our website, clarksfirearmtraining.com. You can schedule classes. You can view content. Also check out our affiliates page, man. There's a lot of good discounts for you guys, man. Again, it's Dwight from Clark's Firearm Training and Safety.